mind at some point. So it is useful for people to disagree in conversations sometimes. But if you are disagreeing because there is a difference as you move forward in the conversation, or as you hit a wall in conversation, that is an entirely different issue. But if the baseline of definitions of the case in point is drastically different, or if we are drawing from anecdotal evidences, or if we are drawing from personal experiences and measuring it up against the counter position, and if there is a vast difference in understanding of the case in point, there is bound to be a conflict. So I think to mitigate or to reduce the level at which we end up seizing our conversation halfway and not actually solving the problem we set out to tackle, I think we should first of all gauge each other's understanding about the case in point, then we can proceed from there. So imagine that we are about to talk about communism, and we happen to be from 2 different countries in conversation. I first of all gauge my counter positions, understanding of what communism is and how it has been applied in the society, and what it is exactly that has made them to have the conclusion they came to, or they have come to. I do the same, and when we reach the same baseline, then we can proceed from there. I think this increases a certain degree of broad-mindedness that will certainly avoid conflict in dialogue, and then it will help our conversations to move further. I think we can extrapolate this to larger conversations on a national level or international level, and even in direct conversations within friend groups and family members and all of that. So we shouldn't be too quick to criticize. We should be first of all trying to understand each other, and then if there's a basis or a need for criticism, then we criticize. But you don't criticize just for the sake of criticism, you criticize for the sake of providing a solution. So I think that will mitigate the level at which we conflict with one another. So as usual, I'd like to hear what you think about this.